Thank you much. Right now I want to go ahead and do a Bob Marley song. It's called Three Little Birds, well popular song. At this point I already basically I laid all the tracks already for the most part, and the reason for that is because the song is so complex. It have like 15 different tracks. I did not play any loop. I record everything like from scratch and every track from start to end, so it would take too much time for me to do all the sequencing. So what I do, I just put all the tracks together and we're gonna just play, let you hear it. Basically the reason for this is so if anybody wants to sing it, you know the song and you want to sing it along with the track, you want to practice it, you can do that. While you're not allowed to bring it like in the studio and to record on it in the studio, but you're certainly welcome to practice on it as much as you want to, because that is what the rehearsal channel is about. Now, having said that, let's go right into the song that is already sequenced. I do this obviously on the Yamaha Motif. Let's check it out.